bowlers. This is an excellent over.
Oh dear, oh dear. Kevin Peterson. Kevin Peterson.
Be a chance. No, it isn't. Exactly. Now we know what his plans are. If he plays 15 balls, then there is trouble for the opposition. Dhoni.
Here he goes. It's in the air. Oh, another. Number 4. The double winder. How many he's going to get? It's in the air and it's out of here. Well, look at the follow through, Dhoni's. Look at that. Once he actually makes the strike, he gets such a lot of speed through the strike.
This time, my goodness. Wow, I don't know if I've seen a better one than that. That is just incredible. That's nonchalant. I mean, honestly, Mr. Dhoni, have a look at it. It was pretty good. Just check out where it's gone, son.
And as it found the gap, he does it amazingly well. Mahendra Singh Dhoni.
2 sixes as well, and this one almost a replay of the 4 that he hit the previous over, except that he hit this one slightly better.
Off his feet. Tries it again. Surely be one. There is only one.
All the wrist from that. My word, that wasn't that bad a ball, but just look at the power.
Well, I'm not really sure about that horse.
Do not know how to describe that particular shot. It's only in the book of Mahendra Singh Dhoni.
Straight down the ground. Never seen a shot like that before. That's real.
Look at the bottom hand. And look at how he finishes. And it's gone the distance. It's a big ground here at the IPCL. And he's cleared it quite easily. Dhoni is the call. He's hit it in the air. Peanut trying to get underneath it. And he's gone all the way.
Now, just watch this backswing. Just. Yeah. There you go. That'll do. Sure what he did there, but it's very, very effective.